Think local auto repair is stuck in the past? Think again. Welcome to Lincoln, Nebraska, where AI is flipping the script. Imagine your car's problem diagnosed before you even speak. AI-powered local search is the secret weapon for America's best shops picture. A potential customer pulls out their phone, types best auto repair near me, and boom, your shop pops up first, glowing like a beacon in the digital fog. But here's the twist. This isn't just tech talk, it's a game changer for small businesses. Shops using AI jump ahead, outperforming rivals by leaps and bounds. It's like having a turbo engine under your marketing hood. Emotional hook? Imagine a stressed driver stranded, saved swiftly by AI-guided mechanics from a trusted local shop. That story, it's happening every day, right here in Lincoln. Now, AI doesn't just find customers, it builds trust, connecting communities and businesses in a web of efficiency and care. Here's the mind blower. This tech isn't reserved for the big players. Small shops are tapping into AI to grow bigger and stronger, rewriting the rules of local business. So, what's stopping your shop from becoming Lincoln's top choice? Are you ready to drive your business into the future with AI? Don't wait for the road to change, be the change. What will you do to stay ahead in the race?